Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna explain to you how to change Outlook profile picture. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to outlook.com or simply open the app on your smartphone, and then as you can see here you have this your profile picture in the top right corner. So simply click on that and then simply click on the my profile button. Then you're gonna get redirected to this page. Now, as you can see, I don't have any photos. So what you're gonna have to do, so if you see this add a photo button, simply click on it and then you're gonna have to simply upload your photo. Now, if you already have a photo here, you're gonna see a change photo button. Simply click on that and do the same process, and basically that's all you have to do in order to change Outlook profile picture. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.